Hey all, this is another prototype I put together. Basically, it's a JavaScript RPG. It's pretty rough right now, but it does have some fun little functionality. So right now what you have is you can have battles with enemies. You can also go into your stats. So you just have basic RPG stats like hit points, attack, defense, weapon damage, items, and abilities. You can also equip items, so I'm just going to equip a rusty dagger here, and you can see it has damage 5. You can look at your inventory. We have some healing potions. You can go to a store, so we're just going to buy let's see here, we'll buy a leather jerkin, and we will equip that. So now we have both these things equipped. If we look at our stats, you can see here we now have higher defense and higher weapon damage. And then we'll just go and attack this goblin here. So this is the actual guts of the program here. Basically, it's a battle. There's basically a loop going on for the battle. So there's a battle state. So right now, battle state 1 means that the player can attack. So we're just going to attack here. And you can see here it'll calculate whether we missed or hit the enemy, and then the enemy will try to attack us. So we'll just try to attack again. Getting some bad rolls here. So here we hit the goblin for 5 damage. Goblin's health goes down. You can also use special abilities, so we're going to use this super attack, and that's going to do 25 damage. And we'll attack again. So once you kill the enemy, basically you'll be able to collect some items from the enemy. So you'll get gold and also some loot. So we can go to our inventory and look at the items that we got from the goblin that we killed. We got a bent sword and some healing potions. So we're going to equip that sword. So you can see it has a higher damage. And then we're going to sell off some of these healing potions. So we can sell some healing potions. Have a little bit more money here, and we're just going to buy this. Let's buy this violent amulet. Equip that thing, and let's go try to attack this dragon. So we're going to attack the dragon. We're going to do a regular attack on him. Still missed. He hit us for good bit of damage. And it looks like the dragon killed us. So, basic RPG functionality. It's all in JavaScript. The way it's working is the data is basically stored in JSON objects. So the goblin, the dragon, and the player and things like that are JSON. The equipment and the inventory are actually stored in a CSV file. So basically all the data for the RPG is data driven, so it can be stored in external files. And the logic of the RPG is pretty straightforward, and it's just in a single JavaScript file. So if we view the source here, this JS battle right here is doing all the RPG logic. So that's pretty much it. I kind of took a break from this prototype just because there was, getting beyond this point would be a good bit of work. And also just it's pretty painful to work in JavaScript to do RPG mechanics. So dealing with abilities and combat and things like that kind of thing is not very fun to do in JavaScript. It can be done, but it makes it pretty painful for both building because there's no compilation, so you can't really check the integrity of your data or your logic before you actually run the thing. So it's out there on GitHub. Here's the link to GitHub, and feel free to check it out. There's kind of an overview of how it works under the hood, and it could definitely be improved and iterated on. So check it out. Let me know. Thanks.